Yet again, the lawless DSS denies Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer access to him, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, and Attorney Bruce Fein cries out. So guys, you've seen again the Janjaweed community are pulling so hard, but this time around it went international. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Biafra latest update. In this channel, we do all breaking news about IPOB, Biafrans, and its leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Please do watch this video till the end and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you appreciate. So guys, let's dive into the reading. Update on yesterday's visit being 2nd day of September 2021. Yesterday's court-ordered visit to our client, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was aborted by the officials of the State Security Services on a reason we find extremely ridiculous. Following the arrival of Mr. Bruce Fein, a foremost American-trained constitutional law lawyer and IPOB's attorney in the United States of America, the game obviously took an interesting twist. Despite our formal notification to the service in line with the existing protocol and its compliance with the court-ordered guideline, the officials of the Department of State Security Services came up with an excuse that the person assigned to receive us during yesterday's visit was on a special assignment and as such, the visit cannot be conducted. This is not only ridiculous but a clear violation of the court order on guideline for visiting our client, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. For the records, we have been consistently visiting our client on the specified days and time of the week, and there hasn't been any time we were denied access to him on the ground that an individual assigned to receive us was not available. Needless to mention that no one individual has been specifically assigned to receive us on any of the visits. They are fully aware that the visit takes place every Monday and Thursday. Thankfully, we have another date for Monday, and we do hope that this individual will be available on Monday to receive us. We have taken steps to formally bring this latest infraction to the attention of the court. We will continue to update you all while we continue to urge for your relentless prayers and understanding. We are winning, you can be assured. Thank you all and remain blessed. Signed, Ejiofor Ifeanyi for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lead counsel. So, my dear Biafrans, you have seen and you've heard by your own self about what the DSS is doing. It's very illegal and they are actually going against the court order. Barrister Ejiofor stated that they went together with Mr. Bruce Fein to see or visit their clients for their routine visits that takes place every Mondays and Thursdays. On reaching there, the DSS denied them access to their client, stating that the person assigned to receive them went on a special mission, which is considered ridiculous because, as per what Mr. or Barrister Ejiofor says, there is no specific person assigned to receive them in the DSS custody services or whatsoever. So this is a clear indication that the Janjaweed community are trying so hard to stop. Definitely they knew that the presence of Mr. Bruce Fein is gonna be kind of a motivation for Nnamdi Kanu and even the attorney and the legal team as a whole. They are afraid, they are scared of what is going to happen. So they are like trying to limit the access. They are like trying to limit the communication with the clients. They are trying to limit a whole lot of stuff. But as per what Barrister Ejiofor said, that definitely we are winning. As in the prayers that the Biafrans are praying every day, the fasting, the how many days prayers that they're going into definitely is having its impact because they are exposing themselves internationally. They by themselves, they are exposing their wrongdoing, they are exposing their lawless actions before everyone, because this is a clear indication. And every time they do this, they actually carry this to the courts. Like Barrister Ejiofor says, they make sure the court is aware of everything that happens, so much that the court is not going to deny on the trial day of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is not the first time they are doing such. They started by harassing the legal team of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and every time they do harass them, stripping them practically naked, they come online and they also make sure the state it with the courts for the courts to be aware that this is what is happening. And yesterday, being Thursday, which was a routine day for the visit to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they were denied access, and yet again the court was informed about everything. So definitely when the trial day comes, all this will be taken into consideration, and definitely it will be used in the favor of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and at least Biafrans are going at the top. So prayers, continuous prayers, prayers without relent, and being law abiding, like how Barrister Ejiofor always said, it's one of the best. I'll stop this video here, but if you do like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Write on the comment section what you think about the video. In this channel, all opinions do count, so feel free to write what you think. Share the video with your friends and family. Let them know what is happening. Please don't forget to support this channel by clicking on that red subscribe button and turning on your post notification, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.